Guys, welcome to Pen Dentistry. Hope you are doing good. I am Dr. Aishwarya with you for easy learning and better understanding. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go and subscribe to my channel and learn the dentistry in an easy manner. Today our topic is tooth movement. Tipping movement is a very simple movement in the tooth movement. As compared to the roots, tipping movement is of two types, the controlled tipping movement and the uncontrolled tipping movement. In controlled tipping movement, this root region is not moving and the crown, only crown is moving. The load which we provide at the control tipping is 35 to 60 grams of load, and the ratio here, the moment of force ratio is 7:1. In control tipping, movement of the crown occur in single direction. The movement of the crown will going to be takes place at the single direction, while the roots show no movement in opposite direction. That means if the movement is taking place like this, so root is at the fixed position and it is not showing the opposite direction movement. That means the center of here, rotation is at the root region, that is it is at the root apex. The center of rotation is at the root apex. PDL is stressed very less at root. Here the PDL fibers is not going to stretch that much. That means the less stretching will be there due to the root movement is prevented here. As the root is not moving, the PDL fiber will not going to stretch more. And in the cervical area here, this region, the cervical area is stressed more, and here this region the PDL fibers will going to stretch more. It is used when the excess proclination is there. When the tooth is proclined, when the tooth proclination is present, so at that time this tipping force is used to retract the tooth as well as the root and bring back the tooth in the normal position. Okay, this is the control tipping. And in uncontrolled tipping, it is the single force is applied to the crown or the tooth. The single force you are going to apply at the crown or the tooth, and the crown will going to move in a single direction. If you have applied a force like this, the crown will move here, but the center of rotation of control tipping is at the center of root. As you can see the point, this is the center of rotation, and because of this the root will going to move at the opposite direction. That means you have applied a force here from, and the movement is taking place, the black part is moved, the red one you have applied force and the movement has taken place, and the black one has come like this. So the root also have moved as well as the with the crown, both the movement takes place, root as well as the crown. The center of rotation is between the center of resistance and the root apex. The resistance where you have this applied and the root apex. The center of rotation is present. PDL fibers is stretched at the root apex and over the same side of the force applied. Where you are going to apply the force at that place, the PDL fibers will going to be stretched. Okay, and the crest of alveolar bone over opposite side, and the crest of alveolar bone is going to stress at the opposite side of the. This is used for the proclination of the incisors. This is used when the proclination of incisors is carried out, then you are going to use the uncontrolled. Here the rotation was single, only the one direction rotation was taking place. Here root as well as the crown both are moving in control tipping. Now translation. Translation is a bodily movement. Whole body will going to move here. The translation force is of two force. They are applied. The crown of the tooth at the two force you are going to apply at the crown of the tooth. As translation tooth movement is applied at the crown and the root moves in the same direction at the same distance. When you are going to apply a force, the root will going to move in the same direction. Forces applied passes through the center of the resistance of the tooth. Force will be passed from the center of the resistance of the tooth. Here, intrusion. First one is intrusion. Three types of forces are there: intrusion, extrusion, and bodily movement. These three forces, these three movement, translation takes place. Intrusion. In intrusion, while applying a force, when you are going to apply a force, the shift will be taking place and the bodily movement of the tooth along its long axis in the apical direction. Here bodily movement will going to be taking place and the apical region will be stretched. The PDL fibers will going to stretch at the apical region. The force applied here is 10 to 20 grams. In intrusion, tooth movement need minimum force application. Here in intrusion, you are not going to apply a large force. Only a small force is applied at intrusion. PDL fibers are present at the apex region. Apex region PDL fibers will going to be stress. Okay, only the PDL fibers will at the small area. An area of tension here is absent. The area of tension will going to be absent at intrusion region. This is the bodily movement of the tooth along in the long axis. You can see the bodily movement is taking place along the long axis direction. Force required for extrusion is 30 to 60 grams. Okay. The PDL fibers which are present in the apex. The PDL fibers in the apex will going to show a stress area. Here the whole body will move. The whole tooth as well as the root will going to move. Body displacement takes place here. Here only apical direction displacement is taking place. That means the tooth will move at the from the apical region. Here whole body is moving. And in bodily movement, the applied force is 70 to 120 grams in bodily movement. When the both the crown and root move in the same direction, this the root as well as the crown to move at the same either in the lingual direction or in the labial. Whether the tooth is moving at the forward direction or the backward, that is lingual or labial. The force applied, as I have told you, 70 to 120 grams. The PDL fibers here are, but they are stretched in the whole tooth uniformly. Okay, the stretching is done here at the uniform. Whole PDL fibers will going to stretch at uniform. The labial and lingual direction displacement takes place here. Here the whole body will going to move. Now we are going for root. Okay, the root movement. In root movement, the root movement is taking place. Here the crown will remain at still. The crown will not going to move. Only the root will going to move in labiolingual or mesiodistal direction. The crown will be located at the same place. Only the rotation will be there in the crown, but the movement of the root will taking place at the labiolingual or mesiodistal. When the movement is taking place at the labiolingual, this is the torquening. Torquening is said when the movement is takes place at the labiolingual, when you have applied a force and the rotation is taking place at the labiolingual direction, labial and lingual direction, torquening is said. Uprighting is the force applied and the movement is taking place at the mesiodistal direction, and this is the uprighting. Okay, the rotation is defined as the spinning of the tooth. The tooth will going to spin. The tooth will going to spin at the, this is the this is the tooth, and it will going to move like this. Okay, it will going to move like the only spinning will takes place. This is known as the rotation of the tooth. Around 35 to 60 grams of force is applied here for the rotation, carried out with the help of couples. Couples means when the two force are applied. Here the force become null and the moment remains, which causes the rotation. When you are going to apply a force and the force become null and movement will going to be carried on, which is cause the rotation. In case when the correction is done in okay, rotation here is gained, as I have told you, with the help of couple forces or by the help of the single force, and then it is stopped. You are going to apply a force and then it is stopped because of the chances of the relapse. You are going to apply a force and then you have to stop it. This was the rotation. We have learned here tooth movement, control and uncontrolled, translation, intrusion, extrusion, bodily movement, root movement in turning and uprightening, and at the last, rotation. If you like the video and understood well, please share this video to your friends and your batchmates for easy learning and better understanding, and keep watching Pen Dentistry to clear your concepts of dentistry.